Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another print quality test video. Today we got the Epson XP6100 and we're going to be printing out 3 different pictures so that you can tell the quality and the depth in the pictures that are able to be printed with this printer. So there will be some links in the description below for this laptop, a Dell laptop, this printer, and a few other links along the way here. So those resources will be down there for you at any time during the video. You can pause and go down there, get what you need. So the first picture we've got here is the Disney Castle. This is a Disney themed video, just because I feel like they have a lot of colors and there's a lot of depth in the colors as well. So you can really tell once they're printed out exactly how good you're going to be able to print as far as like different colors, different shades. And this one, of course, is more of a drawing, and the next picture will be more of a live shot picture, and the last one will be one with a lot of different colors. So as you can see there, very good quality. The water there you can see is really clear. It looks like how it would in the picture. Now keep in mind, this is regular paper that I'm using here, not photo paper. So with photo paper, this is going to come out a lot better. But just with paper, this is already, really good quality. So this is another one that was taken, of course, with the camera live. And so this is a Mickey Mouse and Minnie. And you'll be able to see here kind of a picture that you would take with your camera. This is how it's going to end up coming out. So a lot of colors involved here, but in my opinion, this is clear. This looks good, especially it not being photo paper. This came out really good. I mean, all the different colors. You don't see any splotchy parts there. Now, this is our last picture that we're printing out. Has a lot of colors. Every color of the rainbow plus more. And it's really detailed. So you're going to be able to see all the colors here in just a moment. And as you see there, perfect, crystal clear. I would highly recommend this printer here. There's a link for it, again, in the description below. This is really good quality. I hope that this visual really gives you a good idea of the quality and the capability of this printer. Now, thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment below if you have any questions. But that's really all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and until next time.